how to tell when pumpkins are ready. So first things first, there's a couple ways. I think there's about 4 ways. The first way I would say is that the vines are dying back. They're starting to like show you there's no more nutrients going to that pumpkin, and the stem of the pumpkin is starting to brown or is dark green. Another way is that they have reached their full color. So these are orange pumpkins. They are fully orange. They are ready to be picked. And then another way is kind of like a curing on the vine test. This works with butternut squash, acorn squash, pumpkin pie pumpkins, any type of gourd or pumpkin variety that you want to cure on the vine, because these plants need to cure in order for them to store properly. One of the tried and true tests that I tried years before and worked perfectly, fingernail scratch test. Take your fingernail. You push it into the plant, the fruit of the pumpkin, and if the skin resists scratching or scraping, it's ready to be harvested. And it has all those other qualifications too, like the stems are dying back, the vines are dying back, the stems are green, dark green, kind of brown in color. They are ready to go. And right now on August 4th, we have 6 pumpkins that are ready to go. Whoops. They're small, they're cute, but they're ready. All right, this one, for instance, this vine is still super leafy and green. I might leave that one a little longer, but the stem is starting to turn a darker color green. And the pumpkin is completely orange. It also tolerates the scratch test, so this one might just be an early riser and be ready to be picked. Okay, then I've got this one over here. Also, stem is getting dark green. These leaves are still really pretty, but manages the scratch test really well, so this one might just be ready to go too. This one, however, is on this dead vine. The stem is nice and green, dry at the tip. This one is so hard, and this one is definitely ready to go. Then we've got this one here. Same thing, dead vine here, dark green stem, kind of little bit of fingernail dentin, but the skin is not scraping away. That one's probably ready to go too. Got a few over there, right there. But overall, like, the pumpkin patch is looking pretty pumpkin-y. And it's starting to kind of vine out and get more little pumpkins on the edges there. So I'm gonna let it go, but I am gonna pick these few pumpkins. And that's it. Wander and grow. Be sure to like and subscribe. Our channel is growing just a little wee bit, and it's super exciting, but that's how to know if your pumpkins that you planted in July for October harvesting is ready to go. Come back and see me.